Today, we're looking at Stellar Toolkit for Outlook, your all-in-one solution for repairing, recovering, and managing Outlook data. It comes with 7 powerful features. Number 1, repair corrupt PST files. Number 2, recover permanently deleted emails. Number 3, convert OST to PST. Number 4, split oversized PST files. Number 5, compact PST to reduce size. Number 6, merge multiple PSTs into one. And number 7, recover lost Outlook passwords. 1. Repair corrupt PST files. This feature lets you repair damaged PST files that can crash Outlook or make it inaccessible. You can restore emails, contacts, calendars, and attachments, all without losing any data. 2. Recover permanently deleted emails. Bring back important emails that have been permanently deleted, even if they're no longer in the deleted items folder. It works directly from PST or OST files, making recovery quick and easy. 3. Convert OST to PST. Turn inaccessible OST files into PST format so you can open them anytime in Outlook, even if the original account or Exchange server is no longer active. 4. Split oversized PST files. Break large PST files into smaller, manageable parts by size, date range, or folder to improve Outlook's performance and avoid corruption issues. 5. Compact PST to reduce size. Reduce PST size without losing data by removing duplicate items and unnecessary attachments. This keeps your Outlook running faster and more efficiently. 6. Merge multiple PSTs into one. Combine multiple PST files into a single file for easier searching, organizing, and managing all your emails in one place. Seven. Recover lost Outlook passwords. Recover or reset forgotten PST passwords in just a few clicks, and regain access to your valuable data instantly. So that's the 7 powerful features of Stellar Toolkit for Outlook. One software for multiple solutions to keep your Outlook running smoothly. You'll find the download link in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions.